How to find and see deleted packages on GitHub. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to GitHub. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, then go down here and click on settings. As you can see, after you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options, as you can see, but all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here and click on this packages option. After you click on packages, now right here you will find your deleted packages. As you can see, you can search for a specific package right here if you want. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.